Hello, everyone. My name is Donna Roberts. I'm a senior customer success coach at Bright MLS. And today I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Route feature in showing time. So first, we're going to go into a recent search. Once we're in our search results, we are going to pick the properties that we want to tour. So we're going to be making multiple appointments all at once. Once we've selected the properties that we wish to tour, we're then going to click on showing time here at the bottom. And then we're going to add to showing cart. We'll select our date for the tour and give it a name. And then you'll see our properties show up here, 1 through 5. You'll see the appointment type, the status, and the time. We can pick a time, or we can simply come over and just click on the time. But first, we're going to go down to the map, and we're going to see how these are plotted here. And as you can see, this is in an order that I probably don't wish to travel, right? So we're going to figure this out. I know a lot of agents spend a lot of time trying to figure out what property they're going to go to first, how long it takes to get to the next, so on and so forth, which can be really time consuming. So I'm going to show you how to save yourself so much time. What we're going to do is we're going to decide on a starting point. So I'm thinking we're either going to start here where number 4 is or where number 2 is. So we're either going to come down, start here and work our way out, or we're going to start in this position and go out. Once we've decided where we want to start, we're going to go up to that property. So we're going to do number 2 here. I'm just going to hover here, click, and drag it up to position 1 and drop it. Once I have number 1 in place, then I'm going to click here on Smart Route. And now, as you can see, we have a much nicer route that we're going to travel. So these are now all in order for us. All we had to do was click one button and we're there. So now we can go in and just select our times. And you can see here it's going to show us the mileage in between each listing. So this is going to give you an idea of how much time you're going to need in between those to travel. Once you're finished with selecting your times, you can add another stop if you want, if you're going to plan a lunch or any other stop in there, or if you need to add additional listings, you can enter the MLS and go in and add another listing stop here. You also have the ability here to remove anything that you need to. You can click on turn-by-turn directions and get those directions to the first listing, from the first to the second, so on and so forth. And at the top, you can email this to your client if you wish, or print it out. Once you're finished with everything, just click send requests, and these will all 5 go out simultaneously, and you'll start to get those responses back. So again, I hope this is a time saver for you, and I hope that you found this video helpful today. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.